This is a normal size deck of playing cards, but this is what just came in the mail today. This is the Madison and Snyder Casino Playing Cards Collector's Box. And as you can see, this thing is still sealed, so I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys right now. I'm not going to lie to you guys though, I'm actually kind of scared about this because I want to take off the cellophane so I can actually get into this stuff, but I'm scared that they signed the cellophane and not the actual box. But I guess we're about to find out. Alrighty y'all, let's really freaking hope that this is on the box because I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry if this is on cellophane, but I guess we're about to freaking find out. Let's go! It's freaking on the box. We're all good, baby. We are all good. Goodness gracious. Holy crap, that looks good. This thing is huge. This thing is huge. Like, are y'all seeing this? This mug is massive. Like, it literally has, like, a freaking massive tuck seal. It has everything. Like, it looks like a massive tuck box. That's wild. That's wild. Alright. Let me show you guys what this thing actually has. So the front of it says compliments of Madison and Snyder Casino. It has both Daniel Madison and Daniel Snyder signed it, which is absolutely wild in the first place. Secondly, Daniel Snyder, one of the coolest guys you'll ever meet. Just honestly, just a really cool dude. Really enjoyed getting to know him. The top says Madison and Snyder. Of course, both of them have both of their logos. So is the back just going to be the back design, or at least a representation of it, I'm assuming. One side says MxS Casino, other side has some ad copy, and the bottom says Casino Finish. Alright, I freaking got it, and I didn't mess it up, so it actually still kind of looks good. Opens it up, and this says Time is Money on the inside. Oh my gosh, it says, what the heck? Inside, first off, 2 decks of playing cards. And these both, one has a red seal and one has a blue seal, so I'm excited to see what that is. I believe the one, like their regular decks and then a stripper deck, yeah. So 4 decks of cards in this thing, nothing else on the inside of the tuck box, but let's pause on this absolute beauty and get into these. Goodness gracious. So pretty much what I've figured out from looking at all this is that these 3 have a red seal and this one has a blue seal, and that's really the only difference when it comes to the outside. The inside, I'm pretty sure these 3 are going to be normal decks, quote unquote. I'm like, they're clearly going to be probably marked and have all their other craziness that Snyder and Madison like to do. But this one I was told was a stripper deck, so really excited to see, because I don't have one up until now, so I'm really excited to be able to do a review on this. Clearly, you know I love you guys and I'm doing my best to support you guys in a lot of ways by giving value, and just did a giveaway last week and stuff. I will not be doing a giveaway of any of these 4 decks. These are all mine. Although I love y'all, it ain't happening. That's no. This is just freaking crazy. But what I will be doing though is I'll be doing a review of these, and then I'll be doing a marking system reveal, because I always do reviews on Wednesdays, and Sundays I'll then drop that. And the next Wednesday I'll talk about this one, the stripper deck, and do a partial review on it and talk about how I feel about stripper decks. Because truth be told, never had one before. So if you're wanting to see those 3 videos and all the other craziness that's going down here on the channel, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified when it drops. Speaking of Snyder and Madison, if you want to see the review of the other deck that I've already reviewed of them on the channel, check out the Remedies Playing Cards review right there, and you can check out another video right down there. And I believe as long as they're not sold out, you can check them out in the description for 10% off using code cardperfectmagician. Catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.